Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you want to, number one, open up your contacts. From here, we're going to navigate to Fix and Manage, and then we're going to select Import from... Let's get rid of this. Guess we don't have import from SIM, so it's going to be either one of those. Let's see, Manage SIM. Okay, Manage SIM will give us the option to import it. Now, if you have a Google account logged in onto the device, it will give you this option, Save To, and it will automatically opt into that Google account or one of them if you have multiple. So you can tap on the drop down and select whichever one you want. Now, additionally, you can also select to import your contacts to the device, which I will do so just to show you this. And from there, all the contacts by default will be selected, but if you have selected, for instance, your Google account, which already contains some of these contacts that are on your SIM card, then by default they will be automatically deselected and grayed out, so you cannot import them twice and create duplicate contacts. From here, I'm gonna just simply click on Import. It will give you how many contacts have been imported. It also asks you this stupid question. Oh, no, never mind, that's not the delete contact, so this is just a backup, so I'm just gonna select Keep Off. There we go. Now, once we have imported our contacts, we can go into Contacts List, and right here we can then select our little account right here and choose where it's going to be pulling the contacts from. Sorry for that. Anyway, so as I have imported contacts to the device, I can select that, and you can see we have our contacts that I have imported right over here, and you can switch between those. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.